Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make Gnocchi Parisienne, a French version of gnocchi made with a choux pastry dough. These light and airy dumplings are perfect for soaking up delicious sauces, and they're easy to make at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Make the dough in a medium saucepan. Heat 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of butter over medium heat until the butter is melted. Add 1 cup of flour and stir until the mixture forms a dough. Cook for another minute or two until the dough pulls away from the sides of the pan. Step 2. Cool the dough and add eggs. Remove the dough from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, add 4 eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition until the dough is smooth. Step 3. Pipe the dough onto a baking sheet. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a large round tip. Pipe the dough onto a baking sheet in small mounds, about 1 inch in diameter. Step 4. Bake the gnocchi. Bake the gnocchi in a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are puffed up and golden brown. Step 5. Make the sauce while the gnocchi are baking. Prepare a creamy sauce by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir to form a paste. Slowly whisk in 1 cup of milk, and continue to whisk until the sauce thickens. Season with salt, pepper, and grated nutmeg to taste. Step 6. Serve and garnish. To serve, pour the creamy sauce over the baked gnocchi and garnish with chopped parsley or chives. And there you have it, Gnocchi Parisienne. These delicious dumplings are a great alternative to traditional potato gnocchi and are perfect for a cozy night in or a fancy dinner party. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.